The 2016 Dodge Viper ACR is the fastest Viper around a racetrack, at least that's what Dodge claims, but a 177 mph top speed makes it the slowest Viper. With the exception of a fin differential for cooling, the ACR's drivetrain is identical to that found in the rest of the Viper lineup. That means an 8.4-liter V10 that throbs out 645 horsepower and 600 pounds-ft of torque and looks to be about the size of a steamer trunk. What makes the Viper ACR faster around a racetrack is also what reduces its straight-line speed, downforce. Downforce uses air for the very noble purpose of pushing a car down into the earth. The harder the air pushes the car into the tarmac, the faster the car can corner. But downforce also creates aerodynamic drag, which slows down a car at the top end. Imagine an upside-down set of airplane wings strapped to the roof of a Viper and you have a decent idea of how it works.